Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiorslife and you are back for another one. Yeah. Today we're doing, okay, this is gonna be my version of Vlogmas, so don't get too excited because clearly I'm a little late, but we're doing 8 days of Christmas. Yeah. So for these 8 days of Christmas, for the whole week, dropping a hair video every day. And if I don't at me. Okay, I'm doing my best. So yeah, hair video every day for this 8 days of Christmas leading up to Christmas. So y'all are gonna get the tea on different hairstyles and a little vlog, a little behind the scenes, you know what I mean? You're gonna get some of that. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm very excited to start. Now today we're doing a hairstyle that's getting real popular, or has gotten real popular on TikTok. I'm gonna put it right here. Period. Lotto even got it on. All the girls are doing it, right? So I figured I'd do it too because I got a wig with bangs. So let's get into it, okay? So this is her. I've actually already kind of semi-styled it on the mannequin or whatever. I really don't remember where this wig is from, but we styling today. We're not doing nothing else. We styling. So let's do it. That's better. Okay. Alright, because I already had bangs, they're already cut, but I'll show y'all how to get into that too. But right now we gotta lay the wig down.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Lay out stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Lay out stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days, oh my yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Okay, we're curled up. Now let's you know. Ooh, my freak. There we go. Now let's take it down, do the bangs. Really get the style rocking. So let's do it. Oh, maybe I could take this off first. Nah. Let's go. Okay. Definitely wait till your hair cools before you take the curls down. And honestly, you don't even have to pin them. That's just how I like to do it. Ooh, I think I was probably gonna just do a quick little. Ooh, I missed a couple of them. Okay, period. Now let's get this headband off. Period. Now the baby hairs on this side don't really matter because it's like a full bang, but I'm just gonna brush them. You could like actually style them, but I don't really care to because they just not important. I think we're gonna go for a fluffier look anyway. Okay, low-key this is a look, but we got bangs, so let's get the bangs. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna part them off. As you can see, it's like this whole area that's shorter than the rest. All right, it's about this area, so I'm gonna go in and just bump the bangs. Ooh, okay. This is my issue with bangs. It'd be hard trying to figure out what's the bang and what's not the bang, you know? I think more of this needs to go up. Ooh! That went straight in my freaking eyeball. Jesus. The offense. Okay. Ooh, these bangs need to get cut. So that's what we finna do, cause I can't. Ugh. think I fucked that up. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm not that bad, I guess. This is so funny, but okay, y'all, this is the final look. Back up a little bit so you can see. Come on, giving, y'all know, maybe Farrah Fawcett. No, I don't know. If you know the 90s girls that wore this look, let me know down below, because child, I don't know. But this is actually real cute. I'm not mad at it. It's just kind of funny to me, because I literally, like, what? Give me some fucking acid wash jeans and throw me in there, because I'm in there. But yeah, y'all, this is it. This is our first day of 8 days of Christmas. So yeah, come back to me tomorrow to see what hairstyle I'm gonna do. But this one's real cute. Okay, period. We're gonna have a vote at the end. What was the favorite hairstyle? Cause she's kind of eating. She might be #1. But yeah, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, down in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the hairstyle and how you feel about our 8 days of Christmas. So bye.
You'll try to come back when you think. I always want the truth, but it's that. You got something real, not bad.